There's a morning tub. Hi. You cannot have it. This is not for you. This is for mama. Okay? Blah, blah, blah. Hi, and welcome to FiberLoveDiary. I'm Trisha if we haven't met, and if we have met, welcome back. You're probably part of my tribe, and I appreciate you so much. You guys don't actually know how much. You guys have changed my life and made it better, and that's pretty darn cool. You've all heard me say that sometimes I feel like people on YouTube or people that are selling fiber and fiber tools and all that stuff present certain things as if they are experts or as if they are fact when they are only opinions or meant to sell you things, and I don't agree with that. You've all heard me say it. I mean it. And the reason that I say it and I mean it is because I want to be able to spend my money on fun things that go with fiber or fun fiber or whatever. I just did that. Well, I did that for one thing. I have some other stuff to unbox. I don't need help figuring out what to spend my money on when it comes to hobbies. I have no problem in that area. We all know that. I promised myself I wasn't going to buy any fleece this spring. I also have some subscriber mail. So I've gotten other presents and things from you guys, which I appreciate so much, but I've never opened them on my channel, and I was like, why am I not doing that? You guys deserve the recognition. Let's open it. So this is from Jody to George, and she messaged me the other day and she was like, hey, did it come yet? And I was like, it came, but I didn't open it yet because I was saving it for this. I promise sometimes John's like, how can you stand to save these things? Especially when I have no clue what's in them like this. But I don't know, if I put it out of my sight line day to day, I don't even think about it until it's time, but I'm so excited. I have no clue what is in here, but can I just say before I go anywhere else, first of all, please don't use this address because I just changed my P.O. box, but I don't mind you seeing it. Look at how she embellished this box with stickers. There's the cute little snail and bee and everything on it, and she even embellished the back. Thank you, Jody. I appreciate all the effort you took to make it cute. Okay, let's figure out how to get in here because I can't wait. Oh. I'm not sure how to get in here, but oh, that's how. Okay, ready? Wow, look at this. Look how cute this is. Oh my God. These are like little pinwheel picks with glitter washi tapes. You really did take some time on this. Thank you. Look at, love them. They even spin. Okay, let me put my glasses on really fast. I've never seen this before. This is a fortune teller fish. It says place fish on palm of hand and his movements will indicate basically like what I've got, what I'm feeling inside. I'm not gonna do that on here because I wanna save it for in private in case it's bad. If it's motionless, I got a dead one. I guess we'll see what happens. Oh, here's a cute little sticker with the planet, and it says, we're all in this, we're in this together. That's cute. My goodness. You sure did fit a lot into this cute little box. Here's like a little charm. It's on a little hook. Thank you. I love that. It's a little heart with a pink bead on it. Oh, I know. She was gonna send me some laundry soap that she uses for people with like sensitivities. I think it was her daughter. I mentioned it a while ago that I have to use the All Free and Clear because if I use anything with a scent, it makes me all itchy all over. And it's not horrible. I don't get a rash, I don't get hives, but I just feel my skin gets all itchy. So she sent me, thank you, Jody. I will try this, but I do need to know what it is, and I don't think it says in here. So I'll message you. Thank you so much. I can't wait to try this. I really can't. And then, gosh, there's little presents in here. Oh my goodness, I'm spoiled. This says Boo and Drift English carded roll eggs. Oh my gosh. Let's open it. I can tell that a crafter made this box because there's like, you know, pretty string, stickers, pretty paper. Ooh, oh man. Is this Angora? Oh my. Just trying to get it out without pulling any of the little legs apart. Look at that. You can just see the fluff coming off that. See it? So here, look at these carded roll eggs. I can't wait to spin those. You cannot even feel it in your hand. It's so soft. I mean, Angora, you can't go wrong, right? Thank you, Jody. And there's all little flowers in here. See those? I love them. And there's a sticker that says, stand together. Let's see, we need to get this. Stand together and love one another. Okay, and this one says Maddie Prime Plucked French. So that is also Angora. Wowie. Oh my gosh, so it's like a teeny little bat. Look at this, you guys. Thank you, Jody. Oh my gosh, Luther's on it. He wants to know what's going on. What is that? Do not mess it up. Does it smell so good? I'm not gonna let him have it, so don't even worry. Believe me, it'll go right back in the box and closed until I get to spin it. Thank you, Jody. I appreciate it so much. I feel like it's my birthday early. My birthday's like 2 weeks away, but I feel like it's my early birthday. So I had mentioned, I think in the last Breed Study video, no, Breed Study 5, that I had spoken to the lady that runs the Woolgatherings site, and she asked me if she could send me something to thank me because, as you guys know, I just unboxed that Breed Study on my channel, and a lot of you were like, you're spinning that on your channel, right? And I was like, oh, yeah, okay. So then you guys like stampeded her shop and bought a ton of them and told her where you saw it and told her that you were spinning along with me. And so she contacted me and said, hey, thank you for doing that. Can I send you something to thank you? And I was like, you don't have to do that. If you do, I will share it with my friends. So she did. It came yesterday. This is gonna be noisy. Oh, I didn't need a knife. There's perforations right there. Oh, it feels like there's a card in here. Okay, there's a thank you card in here. It has a coupon code on it. I guess if you purchase, you get a coupon code. I don't know. I don't remember getting one with the Breed Study, but maybe I did. I could have. And there is an info card on Rambouillet in here. So it's just giving a bunch of facts and things about Rambouillet. I have to say that's a bit of a giveaway as to what could be in this package. Nice sticker sealing it up. Check it out. So this is from her Fiber Club. I'll link her Etsy shop so you can check it out. This is from her Fiber Club. It says 100% Rambouillet wool, 4 ounces. And look at the pink and red and like kind of orangey, peachy, dark peach and orange colors. Hello. Does this seem like me or what? Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I'm glad you got some business from the Breed Study, and thank you for this. I have to say, you guys, it looks to me like you should probably head over to her shop and check her out. Just saying, based on what I'm seeing, it's good stuff. And last but not least, this is gonna be a short video, I think. It's okay, 3 videos a week, but shorties is kind of fun, right? You never know when they're gonna come. They're like a surprise. So like 2 weeks ago, yeah, 2 weeks ago on the Breed Study, by the time you see this, it could be 4 weeks. I don't know, because I never know when things are gonna be done and up. But I think it was Breed Study 4. Pretty sure it was 4. I spun Finn and Falkland. I enjoyed it so much. I realized I hadn't had a raw Finn fleece in a really long time. And I was on the Raw Wool for Sale Facebook group, I think it's called. I'm pretty sure it's Raw Wool number 4 sale. I saw this fleece. I could not say no to it. I tried to actually buy 2 Finn fleeces from the lady, but the first one I saw was already sold. Let's open it together. This is really gonna drive Luther insane. Can you see him? Yes, he's right on the edge of the chair. So this came from Missouri. The seller's name is Donna Putnam. Spinning, it just says Spinning Sheep Fiber is the name of her farm, I guess. And if you're interested, look her up in the Raw Wool for Sale because she is currently still posting Finn fleeces, colored fleeces, and the white ones will be up later. And I'm telling you, I saw one the other day and I was like, oh, I want that one too, but I didn't do it because I'm a responsible adult. I'm not buying it either. Okay, so it's packed in this box. It wasn't a huge one. I want to say it was like 3.5 pounds. And her name was Nutmeg. Are you ready? Are you ready? Oh God, it smells so good. All right, I'm gonna take the bag out. In the bottom of the box, she also sent some locks, and it does not say the breed. Some raw locks. I can't be sure without her telling me what breed this is. I've got a guess, but I could ask her. Some really pretty raw locks in the bottom of the box. Let's get down to Nutmeg, shall we? I'm gonna pull you down a little so you can see in the bag. Yeah, that's what we really care about. Oh my God, look at this. Wow, there is almost black back here. This is a beautiful Finn fleece. This is what I wanted when I bought the one that I had to throw away. This is gorgeous. Ooh, I feel some grease. That's not bad. I'm trying to pull a lock out to show you. Oh, there's one right loose. Okay, look at that. Look at that beauty. It is crazy soft. Now, here's my fear. Nope, no second cut yet. This fleece is really, really, really fine and soft. What? Look at this, okay. All right, I just pulled a lock off. Look at that, it's beautiful. And this was affordable. I don't buy expensive fleeces unless I know exactly who I'm buying from and what I'm getting. But I'm telling you, it's gorgeous. Whoa. Holy cow, I'm so glad I got it. When I get to washing this, it's driving Luther crazy. He had to get down. When I get to washing this and spinning this, we will talk about it, of course, because this is one that I know I'm gonna need to share. Wowie. I'm gonna seal it back up though, and it's gonna go in quarantine until it's washed. That's just how I do things to protect my stash. I'm sure it's fine, but you're better safe than sorry, right? If I lost everything because I did bring a fleece in that had some moth larvae in it, it would just break, it would be heartbreaking. Quarantine for you. Thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoyed the unboxing. Thanks, I love you, bye.